How to get back memories on Snapchat. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can get your memories back on Snapchat. So the process is pretty easy. Simply open up Snapchat on your phone, and then after that simply come over to your main profile by clicking on the top left, and then after that simply from over here click on the three dots next to add to my story, and then after that make sure that auto save snaps to memories is on. If this is turned on, all of your snaps are going to be saved into your memories as well, and of course your memories are not going to go anywhere. Simply come back, and then after that simply click on your profile once again, click on the top right then, and then from over here scroll down till the very end. Now click on my data, and then after that you guys are going to be asked to log in into Snapchat. Once you guys log in into Snapchat, like I'm going to do over here right now, and then after that you guys are going to see this dashboard over here. So over here you guys can see that you guys can get all of your data, such as your login history, snap history, and every single thing from over here. Simply put in your email address and your email address once again, and choose the range of the data that you want to, of course, download. Then after that simply click on submit request, and Snap is going to send you all of your snaps, every single thing, every single data for that particular date that you selected. So using this you guys can get your snaps back even if you accidentally deleted them from memories. So guys, this was the video. Be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, take care, till next time, goodbye.